Abusiafo, finally, one of the aspirants had the reply. Abre sa kotihini se kotihini na obefre MPP for say omo yesanko asro. Abusia AY3ka had the respond abre no na abusia wo share isema AY3ka e ka kire sa ohini na abusia so ni papa asa sa kotihini o se kotihini no onim no pa na ni semfu na otumidi okrum ha no onim no pa nti o tse obekasa no enye na adwekra se okohwe ne video no ba o ka kire ne se ono Japan onye sankwas wa bobra wa yeniama bebre wo Ghana ha se nti se or every right to criticize anybody, but to go on over the NPP for say omo sankwas there. Nyansa ye friend nyansa baku po any trim. Baku po any trim now. He don't deserve to be any chief or any king in any community. Na say ahimfo na omo wo sabe ya na ofie no. Se ahimfo na sore antu anamobia emfa sansem huwe papa we di hu a ndie ebedi ma o papa abo abusia ma be srem mre mo yenko na enkotie engineer Japan nsema oni tuja efa sakroti hene
mamo ventilation. Don't give them the plan because he's a disgrace to chieftaincy. Uni umwade na uni ni die so na man ho ne akonya oguni ho kofo anima me royal of Supremambo me you are penning ne die akonya na nansia no firi na
okay
Debra
okay Kesben 92.9
what sankwas ase media metia menye sankwas ya teteme mako primary school akonfansepem the library prefect ako KNUST at that time they friend UST ako civil engineering me I am a postgraduate wa Bruchere University of Surrey or Guildford in a distinction ho me nya brofo mitwa won ma bo me bra I am press secretary to the president man famensa ankari. I've worked on big projects. Simtogo, the counterparts of Gasem, consulting Mao, Gasem, ball mill, a water academy company, construct consult, Uko Obuasi, Kwakoto, Tiny Roland Estate, near friend of Precious Field. We were the project engineers, 1993-1995, 150 units senior staff housing delivered within budget and on time. Na ubijina kasa hase me say sankwas me menye sankwas this umuni ho a edi ebuye ho. You may have your disagreements but so we penimu yo hene na ubijina abonten kasa sa de. I think he's not someone who deserves to say yeah campaigning na and some kafa mampeni akufuado na mu se papa em so nintete. You may disagree with the president, but there are certain words to say they will use to sankwas that you should not use. And that's why I didn't even want to watch it because I knew it was him.
Okay.
It was a minimal the crunch of person who good any masses. And officer always say no academy. Now on him the base of Ghana.
No one still because ring gold. Ghana for body the almost quarantine here first room. Onye quarantine here 2 days by 1.5 years in. Gamma this in what I say. Who dress your man? Also, Pagama this in fear. The whole assume all on your tone read. Newafa or not, no much in fear and a dress for renum, as so fun quala renum. Way, ever to a quoting him. Yet 2.5 years in. Mumusano, Mrs. Sablante way. Sablante when I make an answer, Muntiano. Way. Sablante, Munti. Way.
So he would not even go there at all. So trying to become president is one way of passing through the back door. Because no
friend who saw you continue was you. Bema tiniche. Bema nimuni, Bema basanin toma. Bet my friend who continue was you. Missy more bien friend continue. Mon question on Kobusa. Ebra, on concession was you. And who's the 100,000 company 11. Over who content say, scan away. Our friend who continue Ghana for me see. More friend who continue, no one to me continue was you. Yet 2.5 years in it. Or no hono. Ni fie, no mutesi so fon kola wi no, ni ento wi wasuom. Ni ento wi wasuom, ono ni fie, eti se ni pa wei, a ye ton wi wo ni fie, e be gina internet so, e kan se we na sa ugidi a, na e wa wasam. U nigere. Akwala ketekete na no twempna wasuom. Na wo be gina odi ba omia papa bi. Samira ba omia papa bi udi natam. E gu ni hofin. Amlekwa wo nigere. Na ye kan mo ya mo say na continue ofresium we betimi ofresium ofresium be wotimi continue because esium no enyansa fo nko an egu ho tamom din be continue onu ani nua be ka che say oni ni nua wo sa blanti o ka say onu ani nua be ka che say oni ni nua awo etimi efa ni sia de so eti ancha ni etu na de so we ye twedwa egu ni naso etu na de so okoche bi a when one here jail asambe yo hen kokofodua ni tun kofodua ye na kochebi we twa agu so e ma chebi hinim asam me kan say ye tu na de so amoche for the penny mun kokobusa no esantrofo mun kokobusa se ye tu na de so a ye tu na de so o ti nye konti hen ofoso ya penten ene twa agu ni naso e ni ko chebi asem no chebi se sie aye mu asam ni kura nwie etu o ti me continue wasuom ti mo bia fe continue mfrem na mo ka jen say o me bo konta masomfo na somfo hwom sika company 11 and obi man 100,000 every month bia mo gold obi ma o man no gold ni nyina wan o me bo konta somfo se continue.
Yes, abusuafo mo amunya original DK fire usieja shiwa wabeba beka je ogidigim. Unim abusuafo nan say na maye busy panti mu maintain tan so ache because na me solve problems binti no na mama ye want binti na we me baye na me nam ana me hu say na moto huo magazeti di amanti wo unim akurase a odi hene no na unim krokro na unim abusua ni mu no me pacha fa ni nkunwa di ni mame na momfa nka ho se bu poli nkunwa di no a na mde moto hu aka ho ti ni nkunwa di bia ye frɛ no nana okutum na di moto hu na saso ti na bia nana okutum moto hu nana wonum se betebie wate nana me se wonum se de ya wahye puti 3 days no wapinto so na gu abonten nana wo hwe ase somro wate me pacho hwe na mabusu ani bia metumefo nana we menini be wie week we menini be wie nana me se wonye pi wate wonim tuntum se ko tali ase nana me pacho wo che ene wo chacha o se de ye yi no magazine ene ma wo aboa wo fi wo se tabono kwasia wo hene fu we se mpacho wo be samon ti de ntia me buafu na sia sana na kwasia mpani we se wo jimefo we ono ebeye video bi tipa wo miane mpp fo nyinatam ema dwamama ba power dwamama bona baso dwamama ko bona baso okukwam dwamama unyapi watentina sansani badeli ema okrolokwen ene apetesi num ya wonfuru nya ukidi nyina ase no wo dwamama ehye mmra ede amanhiafo se obi kasa yenkoche no na we mu jimi ewo Ghana ho no dwamama emra bia ebo omo ho ban enche wo mo wote wo no hyehyɛ mmra dwamama unyapi wate unyapi wo ye wo free papa una na we dem no bewi kwasia abusua be mu abusua pani be pa ne si sa kwasia pani we se wo hene na wo be ka che obi yire se wo yesre kwasia wote ase kurasi ne wate brofo bako. I'm telling you the fact because you have mouth order. So if you don't understand the word motohu, I gazetted now for you. And now you are called Nana Motohu, the mouth order. So you Nana, I gazetted this name for you. Now we will change your name from that in Konyadin to this Nana Motohu. Apua wofui kwasia usaswali baumia. Usaswali Samira. Kwasia wabushia the whole entire family. One now bet me, who can you compare to that lady, our second lady? Whom do you compare? Kwasia idiot man or non-entity person. Look at the smelling mouth that you are sitting down there, telling this lady, beautiful lady, say, why you slave queen? Apua, Woshua wate, Woshua sumoto, when Nimsa Jomahama num, a poor in me and now ye Jumamano, we ye Jumama Jomahama, and Tikwasia Sam Kwanaka, and the Munkulano, Muda Daniel Jimmy Kuampacho, a crabber no free. Me bacha krabese ekra o Ashanti region o timi fra Ashanti region because Ashanti region me ha other region no me mu mani ntia muntia ne kwasiafo na mu ho a ye fa asem no ma twisi asem no anya mu nipa na mu wo mu no na me kan asem me ka chem se Ashanti region wo hene bia no wa jimi se kwasia wei so Ashanti region kam de be man woto kwasia wo sho asifie wate wanim huhu wanim se tituozu enwe kwasia wapua wo se enepa nye bibi na ye bibi akedo ye de wakoto fie ma kwasia because we ye monkey kedo wakoto fie ma apua wo wanya no ebe kasa tia MPP fo asa diba omia ne yiratem kwasia wo yire a woda watie no kwasia kohwe nanim kwasia se yi ni frizu apua wabusu pani sikanka wate ene odi wasi so apua nana meso ye bulibuli nana motohuo wanum kankan wo hune se tambono wo hune se tabu apua wani hu kwasia wabusuafo am se wonkwa na ho ofewom ene edusi so wanim se captain smart anu apoa captain smart ofurufie mu ana odontolo wani jimi moto huei wani jimi se menu bewie na wotwe we se kwasia wanim se kobra apoa wo bia na num fu no a no de abetra social no so na o kasa etia bawomia ne yire kwasia ma mo lidia muntime kasa na apoa wunya pi wate wo hune se pantu apua wanim fin kwasia abetebie utumu kan kasa petebie apua kokobu tukoko kwasia wanyere jimini ya unama na fete otusa Jomahama kwasia fo mienu wenyina gugana na Ghana na ayi and Ajima Kradu any Rollins yetimawu na kwasia fo weti Ghana kwasia ajimi fo de jimi fo bebre na kogu parliament including ayi Kwame A+ kwasia fo we mu nyina gu parliament ebede senate aba parliament. Because Kwasiafua, they can't write their names, they can't spell their names, but they are now a member of parliament. Look at non-entity beings are there. Look at them. Look at the way they are behaving there. Kwasiane, school nana basane, Jomahama say schools. Henry na Drusu, ni Jimmy, eti wanumu say schools. Untiminka, wahene, Kwasia ukwa abwe Jimmy, enem nebi ya yeche wedi betina bedum. Kwasia ke kwa ni breba and yesha sache wesi. But because you don't have common sense and you don't have brain, because you have smelling odor, you have smelling mouth. That's why you came there and say non-entity words to Samira Kwasia, idiot. Ofui apetebie Kwasia wanum kan kase prekwaja na wate apua ofui mess about.
This thing at the top of my video, have you seen it? This thing, this foolish thing, who just, threw and wandering words around about Dr. Bawumia. Can we call this thing a king? A chief, sorry. Can we call him a chief? This is the most foolish man that I have ever seen on earth. I was trying to say, like, maybe his people will come up with a letter or a statement that they have sent the man to a rehab center. But unfortunately, I have waited patiently. I decided not to talk about it. But I see that the family believe that this man is normal. But he's totally mad. He's a madman. Wallahi, Bawumia is far better than all his generation born and yet unborn. Bawumia is far better than them. And so if a foolish old man does not have sense and they put camera on your face and you say, hey, Bawumia, you put Jomahama here, see a foolish man, don't just bring yourself to MPP. We are warning you. I'm going to petition the IGP to arrest this man, or else this man has opened the floodgate for insults. He has opened the floodgate for insults. This, we call this one a king. Come, a chief, come on. So how will Ghana develop? How? Can you imagine a foolish old man put the camera on the face? But yeah, if you put all of them together, John Mahama awaited. Who jobbed the John Mahama? If not foolishness, have you asked yourself, which country will use 1.2 billion to purchase a luxurious jet? And every day, its citizens will be on the street demonstrating. Nations are always demonstrating, are on demonstrations. Teachers are on demonstrations. And a whole lot of, other sectors. Just recently, technical university or whatever, they went on strike. Indefinite. And teachers too are preparing to go on strike. And you see, so what criteria have you used to measure that John Mahama outweigh, all the MPP aspirants? See, we are telling you people that you think your foolishness can sustain this man third term. All we know, you are testing the waters, and he should try and see that he want to go third term. He should try it. You have just come, you are paying people, foolish men, all the foolish people in this country, the media. Just recently, we are told that they have WhatsApp platform, that they need to brand the government, look good. So anything that happens, they have to discuss it there. We, the youth, must arise. We must arrive to save this country. These old greedy men want to kill our future, and we will not allow them. They are just greedy. They don't want the young to grow. And they put their camera, a flash, Jimmy. This man must be arrested.